everyone, this is Shaina. I would like to inform you guys that we have the latest product of Honor, which is the Honor X9C. If you are looking for a affordable, which is gaming phone, recommended ko si Honor X9C because it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, and then kagandahan nito is napakataas pa ng battery, which is 6,600 milliampere battery, and then also it has a 66 watts supercharged na siya guys, which is mag-charge ka lang less than an hour. Pagdating din sa performance guys is napaka-ganda niya when it comes to gaming, napaka-smooth because of the Qualcomm Snapdragon. Pagdating din sa quality and durability, it has a triple defense, which is water industry resistance, and then shock resistance, and then kagandahan pa is heat resistance na siya guys. Ayan, napakanipis nung nitong ating Honor X9C. Ang kagandahan niya pa is sulit ng ibabayan nyo guys kasi 6,600 mAh, napakatagal niyang malubat guys. Dito sa ating unit, pagdating naman sa camera is 108 megapixel, 16 megapixel of camera. Ayan. Ayan, kung gusto nyo guys makita, ayan yung camera sa back, which is 108 megapixel, and then 16 megapixel front camera. Ayan. Pagdating din guys sa performance, ayan, sa display, naka 4,000 nits brightness, kaya brighter ang display kahit nasa labas kayo. Under the sun is makikita nyo pa rin yung display kahit hindi na kayo mag-adjust ng brightness. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman pa yung ibang mga specification ng aming unit, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shaina Elaine, and also follow me on my Facebook account, Shaina Elaine guys. Ayan, thank you!